So you want to publish a book on Amazon KDP, but you want it to actually sell. If you're tired of guessing what books will actually make money and you want to find trending book ideas that people are already searching for, you're at the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the free and paid tools to validate your demand, the biggest mistakes to avoid choosing a niche, and a simple strategy to test your book idea before publishing. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to find winning KDP book ideas without wasting time on books that never sell. But if you want a complete step-by-step KDP tutorial, you can watch this video here. Before we dive into the research, let's talk about what makes a book trend on Amazon. It solves a specific problem. People buy books to learn, escape, or solve a problem. It targets a niche. A book for busy moms who want to meal prep in 15 minutes will outsell a general cookbook. It follows existing demand. If people are already searching for a topic, you're not guessing. It's either evergreen or viral. Some books sell forever. Journals, planners, coloring books, while others spike fast following a social media strategy or AI guides. And if you want to find books that sell all year, stick to an evergreen topic that people search for and need every day. Now, let's get into the real research strategies that will show what's trending right now. Amazon bestsellers and new releases, and it's free. You go to Amazon.com, you search broad book category, self-help, coloring book, journals, guides, planners, and then you scroll down and click bestsellers or new releases in that category. Look for books that have high rankings, top 100 category, are recently published, less than 6 months old, have strong reviews, 4+ stars. An example is if you see a manifestation journal in the high rankings, it means there's a demand. New releases tell you what's trending right now, while bestsellers tell you what's selling consistently. I use Google Trends and it's free and it helps you figure out long-term trends. Go to Google Trends and type in your book topic, like gratitude journal. Change the filter to the past 5 years or 12 months to see if the trend is growing or dying. If the search volume is rising and it's stable, it's a good niche. Manifestation journals spiked in 2022 and is still going strong. It's a long-term niche. Fidget toy book was short-term trend in 2025, probably not worth publishing now. Trending book ideas can fade fast. Always check if the trend is stable before publishing. If you're serious about KDP, Publisher Rocket is a game changer. Type in a book topic like budget planner. Check the monthly search volume, the higher the better. Then look at the Amazon competition score. If it's low, you have a better chance to rank. An example is AI Art Prompt Guide. It has over 5,000 searches per month with low competition, perfect for KDP. If you don't want to pay for Publisher Rocket, you can still do manual research using Amazon and Google Trends. Did you know that TikTok is driving book sales like crazy? Search TikTok Made Me Buy It books and look at the most viewed book videos and what's getting engagement. Read the comments. Are people asking, where can I find this book? The chances are that book is going to sell. Shadow Work Journal went viral on TikTok and now hundreds of versions are selling on Amazon. AI Business Guide got popular with digital entrepreneurs and now people are making KDP books about it. If a book goes viral on TikTok, it'll sell on Amazon fast. Before you spend time writing or designing, make sure your book will sell. Check Amazon search results. If the first page is full of books with thousands of reviews, it's too competitive. Look for underserved niches. A book with high demand, but a few options is a goldmine. Test demand on Pinterest or Etsy. If people are searching for it there, it'll likely sell on Amazon too. Ask ChatGPT for variations. Get ideas for related niches. Gratitude journal for teens, daily gratitude planner for moms, and only publish books that people actually want. If you're ready to publish, here's how to get your book designed quickly. You can use Canva. It's free and easy. It's best for journals, planners, activity books, coloring books. You can use BookBolt. It's paid, but it's done for you interiors. They're pre-made low-content book templates, so you'd have to change the cover to make it niche. Or you can hire someone on Fiverr for high-quality books that you want customized, but you don't want to design it yourself. If you do want to design it yourself using Canva, I have a complete tutorial here. And remember, look for books that solve a problem and have demand. Use Amazon, Google Trends, TikTok, and Publisher Rocket for research. Validate before publishing to avoid wasting time. Use Canva, BookBolt, or Fiverr to create your book. What book niche are you thinking of publishing? Drop a comment, I would love to hear. And remember, if you want the full KDP tutorial, you can watch it here. Don't forget to subscribe for more passive income, digital product, and KDP strategies, and like the video if you found it valuable. See you in the next video.